Hello everyone. We thank God for this wonderful day. And today we are going to continue our training from where we ended at the last time. But in this period, we are going to work on Microsoft Word. We're going to work on Microsoft Word. We're going to learn how to use Microsoft Word to design, to type, and save our documents. And every Windows have a Microsoft Word. Every window have Microsoft Word. If you don't have Microsoft Word on your window, just download one from online and install it on your desktop. So I am going to use 2010 Word. That's Word 2010. So quickly just click on the search bar or search button to search your word. Just search MS Word or just Word on your desktop or search bar. That's Word. I'm using 2010. And we have the 2007, we have 2013, we have 2016, and so on. But in this tutorial, I'm going to use Microsoft Word 10 2010. And this is how the Microsoft Word is look like. This is how the interface looked like. That's why 2010. And within this the interface, we have a lot of a lot of um command on this surface. We have the quick access, we have the quick access here, we have the tab, we have the scroll bar, and we have we have the main document. That's the main document where we will tap our text, or we work on our document. Okay, on a quick access we have a lot of command or buttons in the quick access. By In 2010, we have default a quick access of button or command. We have the save button, and we have the save and undo button and redo button on this. But we can expand this quick access panel, or we can expand this panel. So before you can expand this panel, just click on the tiny button here. That's the tiny button here. Just click on it and expand the panel. So after this drop down, just click on more command. Click on more command, or you can even add this button to this quick access. Okay, so let's add new. So you can insert new folder. You can set new folder or document. Let's add another one. Let's add an email here so that you can email everyone quickly. Just click on email and then email to the person that require internet. So we let's remove this email. Let's go back to the default one. Let's remove the name. So let's click on more command. Click on more command. We have this list under this more command. So within this more command, you can customize your quick access toolbar. That you can click before we can edit this access. That this is the access, and this is the more command. We have the popular one. You can select the popular or all command. Okay, all command. Let's click all command. Everything we have this, or we have every command in this drop down. So let's going to use our popular command. So we have the popular command here. Before we can add any button to the quick access, you need to select or click on. So I'm going to add the copy to the quick access. So just click on the button and click on add. Now the copy have been added to my quick access. So I'll add cat. Just click on cat. Now Let's go back and click what? Okay. Let's click okay. Now I have save button, I have the undo button, I have redo button or repeat tapping. We have the copy and what? Cut button. So let's go back. We're going to remove all these button we added. So go back to more command, click on, just click on more command. After click on the more command, the pop-up menu will come. So before we can remove any item or any button from the quick access, let's go back to the quick access box. Click on the button you want to remove and go back to the middle between the quick access box and the what command box. Between the two, we have add and what remove. Just click on what remove. Then now the copy has been what removed. We're going to remove the card. Yes, the card has been removed. Then click what apply or okay. Yeah, now we have our default what quick access button there, and we have the tab. The tab this is the tab, and we have the ribbon. The ribbon here. The ribbon here. The ribbon command related that is contain the tab is contain what the home, insert, layout, reference, emailing, and reviews. A lot. We have the we can use the ribbon contain what the group command. Yeah, that is this the command. We have group one, group two, and so on. So the the tab contain what is top of what the ribbon. Ribbon is under the tab. So the ribbon contain group of what commands. So and we have the scroll bar. We have the scroll bar here. We have the scroll bar. And the ruler, we have ruler. So let me insert the ruler. And we have what? The ruler. We have the ruler. So let's insert the ruler. Before you can set the ruler, go to view button. That's the what? We have the insert, page layout, reference, mirrors, and review. Just so go to view button. We have the ruler. We have this is the ruler. Just click on the ruler to activate the ruler. We have the ruler. The ruler we have two what ruler. We have horizontal and what the vertical. We have horizontal ruler and what vertical what ruler. The horizontal ruler is appeared just after what the ribbon. Just after what the ribbon. This is the ribbon, and we have the horizontal what ruler and the vertical ruler. On this side, we have what vertical ruler here. We have so we can open this ruler to this side and open this. We have the horizontal and what the vertical ruler. So let's move on to before you should know this basic what setting before you can work on anything. So let's go back to home. We have a lot of what ribbon here. So let's quickly move on to our next activity. So before we can work, we should know how to type. We should know how to type. We're going to work on typing and formatting, editing. How we're going to type, format, and what edit. The first one will be using on what typing. We're going to work on what typing. This default, so we're going to use the default size. We're going to type. So let's type here. Hello world. Okay. This what? This is how you are going to type. And we will type on the document area. We're going to type on what? The document what area. This what? Test. How we going to what? Typing. We're going to learn how to type. And we have a lot of command you're going to use to delete this after typing or type wrong, how to delete or how to edit, format your text, and so on. So the next video we will learn how to type, how to work on our text. We're going to learn how to work on our text.